super easy and fluffy homemade bread, a delicious bread that will save your breakfast. I'm sure you will love it. Let's start by adding 3 whole eggs in a blender, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, then add a sachet of dry biological yeast, and also 250 milliliters of warm milk. This milk needs to be warm to activate the yeast. After that, cover and beat it for 2 minutes. If you're enjoying this video, click on the like button below and share it with your friends. Then, let's pour everything into a bowl. Here we are going to add 7 cups of traditional unleavened wheat flour, remembering that the measure of my cup is 250 milliliters. We are going to add it little by little, and with the help of a spoon, we're going to stir everything very well. And today's hug goes to our follower, Judy Jolly from Mississippi. Julie, a big hug to you and your whole family. Thank you so much for commenting and sharing our recipes. At this point here, we can't mix with a spoon anymore. So let's flour a kitchen counter and put our dough on it. Let's knead it well until it forms a very smooth dough. Look guys, this is the point. Once that's done, let's lightly round it up to form a circle. And let's leave it in the bowl to rest for 15 minutes or until it doubles in size. And look what a beautiful dough it looks. It doubled in size and got even smoother. Let's return to the bench. And with the help of a knife, we're going to cut a piece of 60 grams. If you don't have a scale, you can make small balls of equal sizes. It looks great too. With your fingertips, let's roll out the dough. And with a rolling pin or a bottle, let's open up our dough even more. Then, let's roll it up like this. In total, I managed to make 20 loaves. We will cover it with a cloth to let it rest for 30 minutes. Then, we will finish by brushing an egg yolk with a little milk. Go ahead and leave your oven preheating at 200 degrees. Now just bake at 200 degrees for 25 minutes. And look how beautiful our breads are. Super fluffy and with a wonderful taste. So do it at your house and come back here to tell me how it turned out. A big hug and see you in the next video.